In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show your company logo on Google Ads using the latest steps for 2025. This process is essential for anyone looking to enhance their brand visibility and present a professional image to potential customers. By the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to have your brand logo displayed alongside your ads, creating a cohesive and recognizable marketing approach. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. You can simply type in Google Ads in your search bar or use the direct URL if you already know it. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted with options for businesses to utilize Google's effective advertising platform, which is an excellent resource for marketing your products or services to a vast audience. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. It's usually situated at the top right corner of your page. Clicking on sign in will direct you to a login page where you need to enter your credentials. If you already have a Google account linked to your business, go ahead and enter those details. If not, you might need to create an account for your business to proceed, keeping your business and personal activities distinct. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads home. This is effectively your dashboard where you'll manage everything related to your advertising campaigns. Now let's focus on customizing your campaign by adding your company logo. From the dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on the campaign tab. This section is where all the magic happens concerning your ad campaigns. Next, direct your attention to the Assets tab. This is a critical part of the process, as assets in Google Ads refer to all the components that contribute to your campaigns, including images, videos, and text. Once you click on the Assets tab, you should find a comprehensive list of your ads resources. Now you'll see an option labeled Business Logo. It is here that you have the opportunity to upload your company logo. Clicking on this will prompt you to select an image from your computer or device. Make sure your logo is clear and adheres to Google's image guidelines for optimal quality. A crisp, clear logo not only conveys professionalism but also enhances your brand's image. And that's it, you have successfully learned how to add your company logo to Google Ads. Remember, branding is a vital aspect of advertising, and having your logo displayed prominently in your ads reinforces your business identity while fostering trust with customers. We hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit any part of this video to ensure every step is followed accurately, and best of luck with your advertising endeavors.